Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone shortcuts not working on iOS 17. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first solution you have iPhone shortcuts is not working. So first solution you have force stop shortcuts app. Your iPhone automations may stop suddenly if there is not much free RAM space, therefore close apps including your shortcut from running in the background. So you have, while using the shortcuts app, double tap on home button, so you have force close stop, then you have reopen. Then second solution, you have delete and reset up shortcuts. If a few Siri shortcuts are giving you trouble while the other are operating well, there is any problem those in particulars, you may fix this shortcuts app not working issue by removing the broken one and generating a new shortcuts version. For example, any you have a shortcuts is not working, so you have a long press, so then you have delete from the shortcuts app, so then you have reinstall or reset up the shortcuts well. Then third solution you have clear iPhone storage. You can experience several errors, including broken shortcuts if your iPhone is short on free up space. Therefore, free up space on your iPhone to ensure that is short on free up space automation runs well. So you have open the setting, click on general, click on iPhone storage, so that you have unused less apps, so you have must be deleted from here and free up space is available on your iPhone. Then fourth solution, you have removed the shortcut app, uninstall and reinstall the shortcuts app to iron out bugs and glitches. First scenic shortcuts with your iCloud, after that delete the app from your iPhone and then download it from the app store. Once installation is done, go to the setting, your name, iCloud and Google shortcuts are on and off. So you have from delete and then you have reinstall from App Store. Then last solution, you have restart your device. A simple way you have uh, restart iPhone, a big problem will be fixed. Then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait. Then your mobile is restart if your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.